Good morning, students. So last time we have completed the chapter alkynes, and as I told you earlier before the last lecture that along with the video immediately you will be receiving the PDF for that particular video lecture on the same day. So we started a new chapter here, redox reactions. अब ये वर्ड आपके लिए कोई नया वर्ड नहीं है. 10th स्टैंडर्ड में ये पर्टिकुलर रिएक्शन का इंट्रोडक्शन हो चुका है. So we are not going to just start again with the simple concept that you have studied in 10th standard for redox reaction. We have here at your level, we have modern views or concept of redox reactions. But not that different. इतना अलग नहीं है. जो आपने पढ़ा हुआ है वो थोड़ा हम लोग डिटेल में इस साल पढ़ेंगे. तो देखते हैं कि रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन में कौन से कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं और कौन से टर्म्स आपको याद रखने हैं. तो इतना तो पॉइंट आपको याद होगा कि रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन में दो रिएक्शन होते हैं. एक रिएक्शन होता है ऑक्सीडेशन, दूसरा रिएक्शन होता है रिडक्शन. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द मॉडर्न कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन, we have two particular methods of defining oxidation and reduction reaction. In that, first one is the electronic concept and second one is electron transfer concept. So let's understand this particular method of defining oxidation and reduction reactions. First one, electronic concept. Oxidation reaction. Example already I have written here. H atom gets converted to H plus ion. तो H पे कितना चार्ज है अभी? प्लस मतलब प्लस 1. Giving out 1 electron. Copper atom getting converted to copper 2 plus. Losing or giving out 2 electrons. But look at this example here. Chloride ions having -1 charge, Cl -1. It can also lose electron and it will get converted to chlorine atom, losing 1 electron. So few examples here, and many examples you will get from the text. Now what we have to understand here, how these are the examples of oxidation reaction. A particular substance, when it is going to lose electron, a particular chemical species, atom, any atom or ion, when it is losing electron, then the reaction is called as oxidation reaction. Now reduction reaction here, opposite will be the case for reduction reaction. Just reverse these two reactions that you have studied here in oxidation. Reverse it. H plus plus electron gives H atom. Cu2 plus plus 2 electrons gives Cu. So what we understand here, ions when they accept 2 electrons, or any chemical species when it accepts electrons, then the reaction is called as reduction reaction. Now we have the second method of defining oxidation and reduction, electron transfer method or concept. Now looking at these two examples here, we understand that oxidation and reduction are complementary processes. They are complementary processes in which oxidation means loss of electron and reduction means gain of electrons. Now one example we have to study here, formation of magnesium oxide. So write a reaction, balanced reaction. 2 Mg plus O2 gives 2 Mg. Now let us write down the oxidation reaction and the reduction reaction for this main reaction. So Mg in the atomic state, okay, gets converted to Mg2 plus ion, donating 2 electrons, and these 2 electrons will be accepted by oxygen atom, okay, and it will get converted to O2 minus. So magnesium atom gets converted to Mg2 plus, giving out 2 electrons, and these 2 electrons are accepted by oxygen atom, okay, and it gets converted to 2 minus. Now look at this reaction once again. These reactions, oxidation and reduction, are written only for one magnesium atom, correct? One. Here there are 2. Here we have written for 1. Here also oxygen atoms are 2. But here we have written the reaction for only one oxygen atom. So balance it. So how we can balance this reaction? You multiply by 2 here. Okay. And 2 here. 2 magnesium atoms, 2 here, and 2 into 2, 4 electrons. Okay, and 2 oxygen atom accepting only now 1 oxygen atom, it was 2 electrons. Now it will be 4 electrons, okay, and 2 O2 minus. Now the overall formation of magnesium oxide after understanding the oxidation reaction and the reduction reaction, we get the formation of magnesium oxide, which we have written here, this particular reaction, in terms of electron transfer. How? 2 Mg, we know the valence electrons for Mg, there are 2 valence electrons for Mg, and there are 6 valence electrons for oxygen. So 1 Mg can completely transfer 2 electrons to oxygen. Okay, that we can write like this also. Mg and then, okay, so 2 Mg, after transferring 2 electrons to oxygen, you can see 8 electrons on oxygen atom. Okay, so similarly 2 magnesium atom can transfer 4 electrons to 2 oxygen atoms, and what is formed here? 2 Mg, 2 plus and O2 minus, 2 plus and 2 O2 minus, there. Okay, so this is the electron transfer concept. Here also in text they are given that oxidation is a loss of electron and reduction is a gain of electron. Okay, but they are not talking in terms of transfer. Okay, तो आपको ये टेक्स्ट में आपको ठीक से समझना है, नहीं तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट और ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्या हो जाएगा, सेम. Okay, this transfer word has to be there when you write down this particular example. Now, in this main reaction, oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. बराबर है ना? एक ही रिएक्शन में आपको ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन भी दिख रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ ऑक्सीडेशन और ये है रिडक्शन. तो एक ही रिएक्शन में आपको ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन दोनों रिएक्शन एक साथ यहाँ पे प्रोसीड होते हैं और हमको प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं. So when oxidation and reduction are taking place simultaneously, the reactions are called as redox reaction. Okay, look at this word here. Redox. Redox means reduction and oxidation. क्या है यहाँ पे? RED means redox means RED means reduction and OX oxidation takes place simultaneously, and the reactions are called as redox reaction. So here we come to the definition for redox reaction, where you can in simple words define redox reaction. So the reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously are called redox reaction. Two important terms coming up now: oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Now oxidation is a process of loss of electron oxidizing agent and oxidation. Oxidation is a loss of electron, and oxidizing agent, okay, is a substance which will accept electron. आपको ये ठीक से समझना है. हाँ, ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन मतलब क्या, लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, लेकिन ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट मतलब क्या, सब्सटेंस विच इज एक्सेप्टिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन. वर्ड्स अपोजिट है दोनों टर्म्स के लिए, तो कंफ्यूज नहीं होगा. रिडक्शन मतलब क्या, गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, लेकिन रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट मतलब क्या, सब्सटेंस विच विल लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन. ओके, सब्सटेंस विच विल लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन, it is called reducing agent. Okay, so you will get some better understanding when we are going to see the numericals, okay, for this concept of oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent, reducing agent. Okay, तो अगर redox reaction में हमको पता चल गया है कि अभी दो रिएक्शंस होते हैं, ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन, तो आपको ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन लिखने को भी आना चाहिए. सो नेक्स्ट हेडिंग वी गेट हियर इन द चैप्टर इज ऑक्सीडेशन हाफ रिएक्शन. अगेन दे हैव गिवन, ओके, वन एग्जांपल, Zn solid, okay, Zn solid or Zn atomic state plus 2H plus ions will give Zn2 plus H2 गैस. ये कंप्लीट रिएक्शन है, ये एक रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन है. ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू राइट, लुकिंग एट दिस रिएक्शन, ऑक्सीडेशन हाफ रिएक्शन एंड रिडक्शन हाफ रिएक्शन. हाउ वी कैन राइट, लुक हियर, Zn and here also Zn. How we can write, Zn gives Zn2 plus 2 electrons. आपने देखा ना यहाँ पे अभी कि ऑक्सीडेशन में क्या होता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस होते हैं. तो Zn अगर Zn2 प्लस स्टेट में यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, मतलब इट इज लूजिंग 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अंडरगोइंग ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन. सो सेकंड हाफ रिएक्शन, हाउ यू कैन राइट, सेकंड हाफ रिएक्शन मतलब क्या है, रिडक्शन हाफ रिएक्शन. ये ऑक्सीडेशन हाफ रिएक्शन हो गई, दिस इज रिडक्शन हाफ रिएक्शन. हाउ यू कैन राइट हियर, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 2H plus 2 electrons which are given out by zinc atom here will be accepted by 2H plus ions. ओके, घूमते नहीं रहेंगे ना दो इलेक्ट्रॉन कहीं पे, वो घूमते नहीं रहेंगे. 2H plus ion will accept 2 electrons and they will get reduced to H2 gas. Since electrons are accepted by the ions here, reaction is called reduction half reaction. Now interesting point, whenever a given reaction is redox reaction, example is given to you, they ask you to write down the oxidation half reaction, reduction half reaction, then you have to check yourself whether the oxidation half reaction and the reduction half reaction you have written is correct or not. You can check yourself. How? Look here, arrow, okay, here also arrow, left hand side in this two reaction, then right hand side of the reaction. What gets cancelled here? Can you see? 2 electrons. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को ऐड करो, क्या मिलेगा आपको, Zn plus 2H plus. ये देखो, Zn plus 2H plus. राइट हैंड साइड में क्या बचता है, what will remain here, okay, Zn2 plus and H2 gas. That means you get this equation back. Okay, the example that we have started, when we get the overall reaction after cancelling the like terms, अगर ये रिएक्शन आपको वापस मिलता है, मतलब क्या है, आपने ये रिएक्शन ठीक से लिखे हुए हैं, दैट इज करेक्ट. सो वेरीफाई योरसेल्फ, यू कैन चेक योर आंसर योरसेल्फ व्हाट इज पर्टिकुलर पार्ट. ओके, एंड द लास्ट वन फॉर टुडे इज ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर. अभी ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर मतलब क्या, ओके, अ वेरी we can say precise definition they have given in the text. Formal charge, आपको सेंटेंस मिलेगा टेक्स्ट में, formal charge which is present on a particular chemical species. conditions दो है, conditions, okay, we can't directly agree with the conditions given in the note text. Okay, so you listen to my explanation for this oxidation number. In the text they are given formal charge which will be present on the chemical species after the electrons are shared by like atoms, and second condition electrons are shared by unlike atoms. तो ये आपको पढ़ के कंफ्यूज होना ही नहीं. ओके, what answer I have given that you have to keep in mind. Oxidation number means, according to this overall explanation that we have seen today, the charge which will be developed on the chemical species after loss of electron and gain of electron. ओके, दो ही केसेस हो सकते हैं एक रिएक्शन में, लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो द चार्ज which is developed on the chemical species after loss of electron, okay, or gain of electron, then that charge is called as oxidation number for that particular chemical species. जैसे आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, यही रिएक्शन ले लो, ये केमिकल स्पीशीज है, रिएक्शन में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लॉस्ट. व्हाट इज द चार्ज डेवलप्ड ऑन दिस एटम? 2+. So that is the oxidation number for this atom. Similarly here, from +1 to 0, कुछ चार्ज का मतलब क्या है? Oxidation number for this particular molecule is 0. Okay, so that is called the oxidation number. Are you getting this? So if you write this answer also, or the definition given in the text, that also you can write. Okay, you will get marks for that. So dear student, this was the introductory part. Okay, and already these terms are studied. So earlier, like okay, we have just tried to recollect what we have studied in 10th standard, and the forthcoming part of the chapter more important, very very important for your exams. Okay, so just go through this concept. आज का explanation आपको समझना है. Okay, for this also immediately you will get the PDF. Again you can go through the notes for this part, and doubts you can ask. So that's all for today. We'll continue next time in our next lecture. Okay, so thanks for today and take care.